Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered why AI companies are so focused on using AI to create art, music, and writing? Well, today we're going to dive into a controversial topic and explore the idea that AI's only route to making serious cash might be by impoverishing creatives. Stay tuned to find out why. First, let's talk about AI's limitations. Did you know that AI chatbots used by major tax companies are giving incorrect answers that could get you audited? And AI shopping? It's a disaster. AI search is also slow and inaccurate in many cases. So why are AI companies pushing so hard for AI to be used in creative fields? AI doesn't know anything, it just calculates what's most likely to come next based on its training data. This means that hallucinations, out-of-date information, and copyright issues are common problems. But in the creative fields, these issues might not matter as much. After all, art is subjective, right? Here's where things get interesting. Modern Wall Street and VC firms aren't interested in good money, they only want once-in-a-lifetime payouts, and they want them every quarter. A good business isn't enough to keep them happy. And AI is expensive. The storage and compute costs are very high, and they're driving an arms race in both hardware and human resources costs. So how can AI companies recoup these costs? The creative fields must seem like a potential goldmine to AI companies. They don't understand how hard it is to create things, and programming decisions at places like Netflix are already being driven by algorithms that drive things toward the mean. It must seem like AI could easily replace a ton of writers and artists, right? But is that really the case? Some bottom-level jobs might be lost, but it's unlikely that AI can replace creative work on the level required to make the systems pay off for the companies involved. The obvious copyright issues, the inability to produce polished products, and the sheer amount of rework needed to raise AI-generated content to a professional level make it a tough sell. AI is essentially a complex autocorrect machine. It's unfit for anything that requires accuracy, like taxes, law, or medicine. But is it marginally less unfit for replacing creatives? AI companies might not have any other options given the amount of money they spend and the expected payoffs they need to produce. So, what do you think? Is AI's only route to cash by impoverishing creatives? Or is there another way for AI companies to make serious money? Let us know in the comments below. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the future of AI and what it means for creatives. Before we go, let's talk about AI ethics. As AI becomes more prevalent in our lives, it's important to consider the ethical implications of using AI to replace human jobs. Do we have a responsibility to ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few? And who should be held accountable if AI causes harm? Some people argue that the government should step in and regulate AI to prevent it from being used in unethical ways. But others argue that regulation would stifle innovation and prevent AI from reaching its full potential. What do you think? Should the government regulate AI, or should we let the free market decide? Another important issue in AI ethics is bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on, and if that data is biased, the AI system will be biased too. This can lead to unfair treatment of certain groups of people, and it's a problem that needs to be addressed. How can we ensure that AI is fair and inclusive for everyone? Finally, let's talk about transparency and explainability. AI systems can be complex and difficult to understand, which can make it hard to trust them. How can we make AI more transparent and explainable so that people feel comfortable using it? And how can we ensure that AI is used in a way that builds trust, rather than erodes it? Despite the challenges, the future of AI is bright. There are countless opportunities for innovation and growth, and AI has the potential to transform our lives in ways we can't even imagine. But it's up to us to ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. One way to do that is through education. As AI becomes more prevalent, it's important for people to have the skills they need to work with AI and adapt to a changing job market. How can we ensure that everyone has access to the education and training they need to thrive in an AI-driven world? Another way to ensure that AI benefits everyone is through collaboration. Human AI teams can work together to solve complex problems and create new opportunities. How can we foster collaboration between humans and AI? And what does the future of human-AI teams look like? So, what do you think? How can we ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way? And what does the future of AI look like? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on all things AI. AI has the potential to transform our lives in ways we can't even imagine, but it also presents challenges that we need to address. By working together and ensuring that AI is used in a responsible and ethical way, we can unlock the full potential of AI and create a better future for everyone. The impact of AI on society and the world will be profound, and it's up to us to shape that impact in a positive way. By considering the ethical implications of AI, fostering collaboration between humans and AI, and ensuring that everyone has access to the education and training they need to work with AI, we can create a world where AI benefits everyone. The opportunities for innovation and growth in AI are endless, and we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. From healthcare to entertainment, AI has the potential to transform every industry and create new opportunities for everyone. So let's embrace the future of AI and work together to create a world where AI benefits everyone. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to develop and use AI, it's important to consider the ethical implications and ensure that we're using AI in a responsible and accountable way. Let's work together to create a future where AI benefits everyone and is used for the greater good.